फोटो खिंचाए रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू हो गई. So this is the temperature profile set. We are going to process a lead free chip to put on this motherboard, which is here. So our student will fix this chip, and this is the machine, a view for the machine. So a complete look. So looks like it. Now right now we will perform a manual process. So manually they will keep the chip on its own place. After checking the pin number 1, manually you can fix. This machine is capable to fix it automatically, and now the machine has been fixed. Now again is re-inspecting the proper placement of the chip. Initially we have to put this chip little bit misaligned, because after the soldering process it will be auto aligned due to the surface tension of the solder. Or so now process is going to be start. Now we are selecting the profile to run. And the process has been started. The head is coming down. And that's it.